Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to flip text in Google Slides. So here is our text that we are going to be flipping. First click on it to select it, click on this blue bar around it. Then go over here to these three dots which says more, click on that and click on format options. It will now show you this sidebar which says format options. Click on the size and rotation one. Here you have rotate 90 degrees, so we can flip it like this, or you can flip it horizontally or vertically. Choose whichever you like. There is another way which you can try, is to hold this circle right here, and exactly it tells you by how much degrees you are flipping it. You can flip it upside down by 180 degrees, or just 90 degrees to the side. So choose whichever you want. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.